There's no...
He likes it. This is everything from our huge shopping spree. Hi Fibs, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. What's up, you guys? It is Saturday, so happy Saturday. We are out and about as usual. There ain't no staying home this summer, you guys. We're going all out. Once it's the weekend, that's what we do. We go out, okay? So today we are actually heading to a mall. We've gone to this mall in a few vlogs back, way back, but it's a mall where we have different stores. But what's so special about today is that we have a huge sale going on in all of France, but our sale in this region starts on Wednesday gone was the first day, so this is the first weekend. So we're heading to the mall where majority of the things will be on 50% off, 80% off, you name it. There will be awesome deals. So we're heading to the mall to get some family shopping done, get some little knickknacks for everybody. So yeah, that's what's up right now. So we're on our way. The mall opens at 10, but the last time we went very early, so babe suggested that we go a little bit later this time so we don't have that long wait. So he's driving as usual. Tyler is around there chilling on his passy. Tyler, say hello, say hi, take out the passy, say hi, hello. Give them kisses, give them bisous, give them bisous, kisses. I'm also going to go ahead and give you the Jamaican expression for today, seeing that I'm already chit-chatting a lot. The Jamaican expression for today is a fimi pickney. If a Jamaican said to you that a fimi pickney that, they're simply saying that is my child. So that's the Jamaican expression for today. You get it? Make sure you get it. Alright, you guys, and of course we will give you his spin on the Jamaican expression later.
Hi guys, no, I'm just stopping now because it's the toll for the highway. Happy Saturday, and yeah, it's gonna be a long day, you know, shopping. Maybe that's why I'm not that exciting. Nah, I'm excited. I hope every guy is just going to with your wife or with your girlfriend when they go shopping. I know it's not the best time of the year, but they appreciate it, so that's a little advice.
Okay, I hear you. Well, there you have a husbandly advice to all of you men. Go to shopping with your wives. You guys, I haven't gotten to vlog, not even for a second since we got here, because I've been so busy shopping. And we finally finished from Primark. Primark is, I think my Londoners will know where Primark is, and most of the people in Europe. I don't think Primark is in the USA, but those are all the things we got. See babe struggling with all the bags. So that was a huge shopping.
2 hours and a half in
2 hours and a half in the same store, and if it was up to me alone it would have been more. So we got some things for myself, for babe, and for Tyler, which is good. And Tyler is knocked out sleeping. He's sleeping, and it's just in time for lunch. So we're gonna go to the car, drop our stuff, and then find some food. So we're having lunch right now, I think I'm gonna have this for a change. I always have something with chicken, but I think I'm gonna try the fish for a change. I don't think I'm gonna have any of these yumminess, but of course I'm gonna have my beer as usual. I'm sure baby's gonna have steak and something. You know I was gonna take steak. Should I take the steak and legumes? Or the steak and fries? But you're gonna take steak, right?
I'm gonna take Babette.
Where is that?
I don't know.
Oh, there's no picture of it?
No.
But is Babette steak? Is it meat?
It's meat.
What it comes with? Fries?
You choose what you want to eat.
You're gonna have fries?
Yeah.
And Tyler is going to have the
Tyler
kiddie menu. So we're at this restaurant called Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus. That's the name of the restaurant we're at. It's like Memphis coffee, something similar. So we're gonna have lunch and just enjoy your food. Oh, my baby's awake. You're awake, boo boo? You wanna come? As you wake up, you say thank you. Of course, we're having our favorite beer as usual. And Tala is having Oasis, orange Oasis. What is that? I see you through here. Look. Right through here. I see you. I see you. I see you. Ah. Adio. Ah. Adio. Tilly, tilly, tilly. Look guys, I'm going to try giving Tyler the lemon to eat. Come. Nice. Taste it. Taste it. Yes.
Good job, Tyler.
Taste it. You have to taste it.
No one. Careful that there is no.
He likes it. You want more? Oh my god, hilarious. I thought he wasn't going to give any reaction for a second, but he went. So Tyler is having fish and chips like a big boy. This boy is just growing up so fast. You having fish and chips? Having fish and chips with that? This is my food. Not what I was expecting, but let's see how it tastes. It looks hot, so I'm gonna dig in real quick. And that's what baby's having. Merci. Dessert time, and I'm having creme brulee. Tyler is having an ice cream push-up that he's enjoying, and baby's having, what is that, babe?
It's called panna cotta.
Panna cotta. What is it made of? It's a mixture of, what's that? Strawberries?
It's a wet food.
Okay, and cream under the bottom.
Yeah, I don't know exactly what it is.
Okay. Alright, you guys, dessert is about to go on, and you guys know that I won't finish half of this song. Ty, go! Go! Go, touch it! Touch it, baby, touch it! Go touch it, go! You got stuck in the middle. Yes, I'm over here. Come, come, run, 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 run. Come, come, come fast. Come, come. Oh, run, 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 run! Oh, that's so cool. Oh, you got stuck. You got stuck? You got stuck in the middle. Whoa, now! Having so much fun. He didn't want to leave. Oh my gosh. Careful! Oh gosh, this boy is the life of the party. He's like his mama. Center of attention at all times.
So babe is about to try virtual reality. So let's see how she's going to react.
I hate you.
How
you
was
guys.
it?
Babe let me do this virtual reality thing, and I literally want to jump out of the chair and scream and behave terribly. He know I hate roller coaster and I didn't know what it was about, and he insisted on I doing it and I was going to jump out the line. He know I hate roller coaster, and it's like the virtual reality is as if you're actually there, and I feel like my heart was going to jump out of my chest. Literally, I hate him so much and making me do it. I was wondering, why was he insisting on me staying in that thing? I was gonna come up, but then I said, no, let me just stay and be a good sport and see what it was about. Honestly, if you hate roller coaster rides, don't do a virtual reality. We're finished shopping and having some fun at the mall. This is what the mall is looking like right now. A bunch of people still here. We're just about heading home right now. It was a good day. Look at this statue. It's like a little girl trying to climb up on the... Hi Fez, we are back home and this is everything from our huge shopping spree. Most of the things, like I said, is from Primark. So this is Primark. I got a few stuff from H&M for myself, and I got some more stuff from this store for babe called Pull and Bear. And there's another store that I got some more things for myself called Bershka. Bershka is another store. I got some more stuff, and we also went to the toy store to get some stuff for Tyler because Tyler's birthday is next month. Of course, babe's birthday is also next month, but it's kind of easier to buy things for babe from me than to buy things for Tyler. So I start buying birthday gifts for Tyler early and start wrapping them already. That way I can accumulate as much things that I want and don't forget anything. So yeah, basically what we bought were from Primark. I got some cushions for outside, and these cushions were €9 for 2, so I got 4 of these. more shoes, but I don't know where in these bags they are. So that's just a little haul of some of the things, give you an idea of some of the things that we bought on sale. So yeah, that's basically it for shopping spree.
7 hours the shopping mall.
7 hours of shopping. Which husband does that with their wife?
None.
Mine! I have the best husband in the world. Right, babe?
Well, I'll do my best.
You enjoy shopping? What are you eating? You enjoy shopping?
That was long.
Sorry, not sorry. But we had fun. You did you have fun?
Yeah, that was just long.
7 hours of shopping. 7 hours. That's a huge shopping spree. Look at all those things up there. All those bags. Plus bags are behind those bags. The Jamaican expression for today is a fimi picnic that. Say it.
A fimi picnic that.
Right. Do you know what that means?
That's my picnic.
That's my child. So you guys, this is what the cushions look like that I got for outside. Turns out pretty cool. Say bye bye. Say bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Look at you. Say bye bye.
Bye bye.
You guys, I'm about to put this silly boy to bed. He's just laughing at me like crazy. He's so silly. He's so funny.
You still have energy?
Who, me?
Yeah.
Why would I not have energy?
I'm running out of gas.
Why you running out of gas?
Yeah, I go in my bed.
Yeah, go your bed. He's
Yeah.
kicking patwa, you guys. He's hilarious. You guys, we are crashing. I have been talking to my girl all night. We've been on the phone just giggling and catching up and chatting Jamaican patwa, just having a good time with my girl on the phone all evening. So babe and I just ate and been just chatting.
Good.
That was a
Dinner
really
was
good
good.
moment. Yeah, wasn't it? We had a good time until mosquitoes start biting, babe. Biting,
Lord.
babe. And he decides that. He said, babe, I'm going inside because mosquitoes start biting me. So I just decided to join him. We're just coming on, you guys, to end the vlog and to tell you guys good night. But first, babe, I have to give the French expression or the French word for today. What is it?
The French expression is il fait un froid de canard. Un froid de canard. So yeah, I'm watching you looking at me like, what does that mean? Canard is duck, like you guys know now. And froid mean cold. So un froid de canard is like the weather. When you talk about the weather, it's cold, like it's cold like a duck time. Don't say that is when it's very, very, very cold. You say un froid de canard. So I don't know why. I don't know if canard duck live in the cold or I don't know that, but un froid de canard is the French expression. Say it.
No, you say it again.
Un froid
Un froid
de canard.
de canard.
Right. Un froid de canard. Say it.
Un froid de canard.
Right. When it's very, very cold, un froid de canard.
Okay, cool. Nice expression, babe. Alright, guys, so there you guys have the French expression, and babe, of course, had gave you guys a Jamaican expression on his steak earlier. So we're just gonna go ahead and tell you guys, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if it's your first time watching. Join the fam bam. Give this video a thumbs up. Catch up and keep up. We love you guys, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys. You forever in my hair. Lord have mercy.
The mustache.